Hello, Judd here. Relaxing in the pool after a rather trying day. Last few days there's been a lot of things been trying. A couple of days ago the pool pump died. I had to go to the trouble of digging that all out of here and working on that and finding an alternative for the meantime. Then I tried to fix my lawn tractor. And I finally said, the heck with it, I got a new battery and had the tire fixed, brought it to the shop to get the tire fixed. And that was a pain in the neck to get off. It did not want to come off. Oh, the Walmart didn't have my battery, so I had to go to another Walmart to get the battery. Then the tire place didn't have the tube for my tire, so they had to order the tube for my tire. So that waited another day. Got that back yesterday, got home, I could not get it back on the axle. It just would not go. I cleaned the axle and everything, it just would not go on there. I got it halfway on, and I could not get it any further on. And I also couldn't get it off. So I finally gave up on it. Got up this morning, I figured, well, it's halfway on, it's good and solid on there, I can use it. And if it comes off, that's fine. And if it doesn't come off, that's fine. So I said, okay, fine. So I sit down to start up my lawn tractor. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. I says, okay, I'll bring the car over and jump it. So I go open up the car, turn the key, nothing. Absolutely nothing. Lights work, all the electrical's working, battery's reading 12 volts. Will not start. Not even a hint of trying to start. Well, by this point I've about had it. I've had it. I've had it. And I called Dave. I said, help. And he said, I'm on my way. And he was here half an hour later. And now everything's working. Thanks, Dave. By the way, that's what's left of the connection to my battery in the Camry. One good thing this morning, I got this great clip of this cardinal. Dave, this one's for you. Thank you very much. Happy day to you.